Hi, Bebe. Hindi ko pa natatanggap yung padala mong size 8 and a half na sapatos. At alam ko medyo busy ka, pero puti, Nike pwede na. Pwede na rin Adidas. 8 and a half. Ay, o nga pala. Happy birthday!
Hi Bebe, happy birthday. Enjoy your day dyan sa Jacksonville. At salamat sa iyong pagsuporta sa daddy. Okay.
Hi Bebe, happy birthday, and I'm sending all my kisses out to you in Florida. Sana I get to meet you soon, and hope you enjoy your stay.
Happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dyan sa Florida. Sana marami pang birthdays na dumating sa inyo at marami pang blessings. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ninyo at sana patuloy niyo pong suporta.
Hi, Bebe! Wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
Game.
Hi, Bebe! Si Madeline ito. Happy birthday to you. Alam ko po na nasa Florida ka. Enjoy your birthday there. At saka ingat lagi. At nagpapasalamat ako dahil you're always watching my BFF daw. Maraming salamat. At salamat din sa nice words na sinasabi po ninyo tungkol sa auntie ko. Happy birthday.
Hi po, Tita Bebe. Happy birthday po. I wish you all the best po. Salamat po sa panonood ng Kayo BFF. Sana po patuloy pa rin po kayo manood. I love you po and God bless, more blessings to come po.
Hi, Bebe! Just saying hi from Manila. Sana in the future ay kabisita ako sa inyo at sabi ng kaibigan mo mayaman ka. Dadalhin daw ako sa Disneyland.
Birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Tita Bebe. Sana po magkita po tayo ulit pag-uwi po sa Jack's Florida. Sana po lagi pa po kayo manood ng BFF. Thank you po sa panonood. I love you all. Sana po ay i-bless po kayo lagi ni Lord. Sana lagi po kayong happy. Ilayo po kayo sa sakit.
Game.
Hi, Bebe! Happy birthday! Sana nag-enjoy ka dyan sa birthday mo sa Florida. At balita ko ha, masarap ka daw magluto. Sana matikman ko ang mga luto. Have a nice day!
Tanjing! Babe! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Jocelyn Tanjing! Tanjing! Happy birthday, Tanjing! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Clap, clap! Happy birthday! Stop! Kaya na!
Surfer po. I say 1, 2, 3. Let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You say your wish. What's your wish, Tita Baby? We wish you good health and more happiness in life. Enjoy your day, sis. We love you.
Love you. Bye.
Kapag you say hi.
Say happy birthday, Kuya Tanjing. Happy birthday, Kuya Tanjing.
Happy birthday, Kuya Tanjing. Bye-bye.
My favorite pamangkin, Jocelyn Batista, na manang-mana sa kanyang tita, Tessie. Happy birthday. Alam ko now you are really so engrossed in your Bible study. Keep going because that will give you more love, peace, and happiness deep in your heart. Darling, I love you so much and I really pray for you for the Lord's God's will to unfold in your life because I know He has so many plans for you, plans that will give you hope and future. And to my darling apo, Jefferson, Jeff, napakagwapo mo. Lumalaki ka na talagang batistang-batista. Happy birthday also, my dear. Keep going also with all your plans in your life, with your ambitions. And I know